Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to obviously another video. Guys, bear with me. I am having coffee, iced coffee, and I'm feeling a little like zzz, like I'm up there. Anyways, I'm gonna be rambling a lot. I already know myself. Anyways, again, today's video is going to be the first tutorial of the dupes Huda Beauty versus Bad Habit mini palettes. Now, I did the first video, which I will link down below because I feel like you guys should check out that video first because it's like the whole explanation of everything, all 8 palettes I show you in that video, and I do the whole comparison review that I always do, but I felt like I needed to split up the tutorials, so this is tutorial number 1 with swatches for my favorite palette, which is, if you couldn't tell, for the Huda Beauty, it's the Warm Brown Obsessions, and for the Bad Habit, it's the After Dark. Now, these palettes are very similar. The size difference, obviously, is very, very noticeable, though. So you can tell right here, there's a huge size difference. I just have love for both of them. You guys know I do these videos to help you guys out in case you don't want to shell out the $30 for one palette. You can just buy this one for $10, or they have a really good bundle, $30 for our... They have a really good bundle, $30 for all... I cannot talk. $30. They have a really good bundle, which is $30 for all 4 palettes, which is the price you're paying for one of these Huda Beauty palettes. So to each their own, whatever you want to spend, whatever you want to shell out. If you're on a budget and you just want one of the palettes and you don't want to spend the $30, then just buy this one for $10. Not necessarily this one, buy the one you want. But I'm just for reference. So let me show you guys the inside because obviously that's what you guys all came for, and the swatches and the tutorial. You didn't want to hear me yapping away. So this is what they look like. They're literally identical. The colors, all the shades are identical to the eye. Now, they go identical on the eyes as well. I haven't told you what palette is on what eye, but I mean, you guys can guess right now which one you think is on the right side and which one you think is on the left side. And at the end of the video, I will let you know. Yes, I'm gonna make you wait. Just kidding. I didn't mean to be that sassy. But I did. So, I mean, you can tell the colors are literally identical to one another. The only difference is the size of the palettes. And to be honest, I reach more for this one than I do for this one. And I feel it's just because it's tiny. And at first I was like, oh my gosh. When I was in the store, I was like, this is the size of my hand. This is so tiny. I'm not even going to reach for it. And it's the one I reach for the most. But I do like both of these palettes equally. So I feel like the formula changed on both palettes, and this one has a little bit more fallout than this one, but this one has more fallout than their typical palettes, or should I say than their regular palettes. So yeah. Now I did use my brush cleaning pad, which looks like this. I usually use one of my cloths, but I find this easier and faster to swirl my brush in, so I can use the same brush on the tutorials. Because I feel like that way I can get the same result and I won't be like, oh, I used a better brush on this eye than this eye. I use the same brushes. I just switch off the colors. And I always tell you guys, I'm going to switch my color off on my little pad, but I never showed it to you guys. Just want to show it to you guys, let you guys know. So that's basically it. A little quick little mini review, because I already did the big one in the first video, which I will link down below. Now I'm going to leave you guys with the tutorial for both of these palettes, and I'm going to tell you right now which palette is on which eye. Did you guys guess right? Because this eye has the Huda Beauty palette, and this eye has the Bad Habit Beauty palette. So let me do a little close-up for you guys. I don't want to do eyeliner. I wanted the eyeshadow just to be the focus of this look. And I personally love it. I love the look. I love how this look just looks on me. Get it together. And I decided to do something different and do gloss, but I feel like my lips look naked. But I can get through it. Anyways, I will also leave you with comparison swatches so you guys can see the colors and see the pigmentation for yourself. You guys know I do the swatches so you guys can see the colors, because swatches don't represent so much how the eyeshadows work, because anybody can swatch on their arm, but you're not going to be blending on your arm, you're going to be blending on your eyes. Very quickly, I do want to let you guys know that I tried to do my best job at doing the videos at the same time and doing everything the same as I showed you right now in the little clip. I did use the little brush sponge to clean off the brush from the previous eyeshadow, which was from the other palette, just so I can take off all the color and use the same brushes for both looks, so the look can be pretty much the same. And I think there was only one little instance where I might have grabbed a different brush, so excuse that. But other than that, I pretty much used everything the same, and I used the colors in the same exact order. I know they might be a little off, but that's just the colors, and you will see at the end that they all look very, very similar. And that's basically it for the tutorial. I obviously finished up my makeup, but this is how the final look ended up looking. I love this look. I love doing this type of blown out orange smoky burnt look. It's just my favorite. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now I just want to mention that on my inner corner on top of the middle shade, or the shimmery gold coppery shade that I used on both eyes, I decided to add a little extra pop, and this is a ColourPop Supernova Shadow, which is what I used, and this is in the color Walk of Fame. I just added a little bit for an extra pop of glitter and sparkle. Don't forget to check down below, because I will have the link to the first video, which is a whole explanation of the whole shebang and everything about these palettes, and I will also link the video number, which is basically number 3, but it's like the second tutorial and swatches for my second favorite palette. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all your support, even though I disappear and I tell you guys I won't disappear and then I disappear again. Bear with me. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!